everyone. Wishing you a happy and prosperous new day. Today I will guide you to grow sweet potatoes in plastic pots. Sweet potatoes are a very healthy food. They provide many benefits such as aiding digestion, boosting the immune system, controlling blood sugar levels, and providing energy. I used a sieve to cut the sweet potatoes into pieces and put them in mixed nitrogen fertilizer. This fertilizer is a liquid made from fish sauce. This fertilizer is very nutritious and stimulates the roots to grow faster. Let's start planting trees, shall we? I took the baby bath and punched holes in it for drainage. I took a 1.5-liter bottle and drilled holes in it to hold the fertilizer. Soil preparation is very important. I want the soil to be loose and retain high moisture for the plants. I mix rice husks with the soil. I filled the soil back up and placed the cut and perforated plastic bottle in the middle so the fertilizer was evenly distributed. Once the sweet potato plants had been soaked in water for 3 days and had separated and grown roots, I planted them. After planting, I will water the plant with this fertilizer to help the plant get more nutrients. To avoid wasting the fruit I eat and throwing away the peel, I will use it as fertilizer. Fruit fertilizer is very good. It provides natural nutrients. It contains a lot of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Now that the plant has taken root and sprouted, I rake the soil to loosen it. I add some worm castings. Worm castings are rich in nutrients and promote healthy plants and faster rooting. Now that the fertilizer in the bottle is gone, I continue to add discarded fruit to fertilize and replenish nutrients for the plants. During the rooting stage, the plant needs more soil to maintain high humidity to help the plant grow quickly. I spread rice husks on top to keep the soil loose. Now I will water the plant with clean water to increase humidity. At this stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients, so I will add the discarded fruit to increase the nutrients. Now is the time when pests and fungi are very strong, so I will fertilize with mixed nitrogen fertilizer and garlic mixed with clean water to spray on the plants. Garlic is a natural pesticide, safe and very effective. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. After 2 months, it's time to harvest. Now I will harvest, boil, and enjoy. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.